ما ذكرت اسمه لم يذكر.
Well, this question is from Palestine.
Yes.
He says the question is from Surah Sad, verse 17 to 25.
Yes, please.
Yes.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم وما ينظر هؤلاء الا صيحة واحدة ما لها من فواق وقالوا ربنا اجل لنا قطنا قبل يوم الحساب اصبر على ما يقولون واذكر عبدنا داود ذا الأيد انه اواب انا سخرنا الجبال معه يسبحنا بالعشي والاشراق والطير محشورة كل له اواب ملكه وآتيناه الحكمة وفصل الخطاب. The translation of these verses is as follows. And these only wait for a single blast, and they wait not but for a long drawn out scream from which there is no respite. Bear patiently with what they say, and remember our servant. Bear patiently what they say, and remember our servant David, a man of many powers. Surely he was always turning to God.
The question.
He would like to know أخي له 99 نعجة ولي نعجة واحدة. I think then the rest.
That is still following, yes.
Yes.
In that verse was وَهَلْ أَتَاكَ نَبَأُ الْخَصْمِ إِذْ تَصَوَّرُوا الْمِحْرَابَ إِذْ دَخَلُوا عَلَى دَاوُودَ فَفَزِعَ مِنْهُمْ قَالُوا لَا تَخَفْ خَصْمَانِ بَغَىٰ بَعْضُنَا عَلَى بَعْضٍ فَاحْكُم بَيْنَنَا بِالْحَقِّ وَلَا تُشْتِتْ وَاهْدِنَا إِلَىٰ سَوَاءِ الصِّرَاطِ إِنَّ هَٰذَا أَخِي لَهُ 99 نَاجَةً وَلِيَ نَاجَةٌ وَاحِدَةٌ فَقَالَ أَكْفِلْنِيهَا وَعَزَّنِي فِي الْخِطَابِ قال لقد ظلمك بسؤال ناجتك إلى نياجه وإن كثيرا من الخلطاء ليبغي بعضهم على بعض إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وقليل ما هم وظن داود أنما فتناه فاستغفر ربه وخر راكعا وأناب.
Sorry.
That's an occasion of sajda.
The one trick
Yes. Yes.
I have said about the sajda.
Yeah.
With reference to many hadiths from Bukhari, etc., that Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared that every time the sajda is mentioned, it is not essential to do sajda. So he himself heard the Quran and the word sajda. We know that those verses which have the word sajda mentioned in them, and which have been handed down to us through traditions. One of these verses was recited before him. Neither he did sajda nor the person who was reciting. So people of today overemphasize this. Whenever possibly you can do sajda, you should. But if it's not possible, it's not a crime at all. So in public addresses like this, it's not possible. So we may forego this. You understand? Please.